For today, we are going to our very first job. We are going back to Z Burger in Columbia Heights.
What's up mga may nagsabi na may nag-comment ng last video, nag-request, sabi niya papahan ko daw sa inyo as flex fam or like some flex fam. So what's up mga flex fam? Sama yung kaibigan ko, as you may know.
It's not a kaibigan, bro. It's kaibigans.
Oh yeah, si Jem, ginupitan ko daw kanina lang. But sa video ito, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna vlog what I'm gonna do next. Cause I made like 2 beats. Paparinig ko sa inyo like the end of the video. But I made 2 beats I think or 3. But yeah, babalik nga kami dun sa pinagtrabahuan namin dati. Like, ilang taon na tayo
Bro, you just fucking...
Didn't hear you, bro. You need to speak up.
You literally...
You need to speak up, man. But yeah, babalik nga kami dun sa pinagtrabahuan namin. Like, yung very first job ko, then very first job mo, diba? But yeah, tama eh. See you pag nandun na kami. What's up guys? Welcome to another video. Nag-intro ako. Oh my god, man. Nag-intro ako kanina pero medyo But yeah, welcome to another video. Salamat sa, I think we got like 70 more people and we're gonna hit 2K. So, like and share this video.
I'm on his Tinder right now.
Di kami mababayad sa bus. Tignan mo yung mukha nito eh, you know?
Thank you. Thank you.
See, di kami nagbayad, di ba? Okay lang. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Ay, naglalakad na Mike. Ay, naglalakad na. Nabubulo talaga ako, bro. Naglalakad na kami ngayon patungo sa pinagtrabahuan niya. Patungo, men.
Patungo, tanginang patungo.
Alam mo yung patungo?
Oo.
Datapwat. Datapwat tayo.
Pero datapwat tayo eh. What?
Bayan, naglalakad na kami ngayon. Patungo kami doon. Right straight there. Kita niyo ba? Hindi na siguro.
Pussy.
What pussy?
You mean your pussy. Back now.
Traffic looking for my chapstick.
You didn't tell me to do that.
Let's do another one right here. I'll put it. Catch it, bro. Pass it to me.
Traffic looking for my chapstick.
I was hesitant.
Hesitant to hit it. So yeah, guys, that's the place we used to work. It's called Z-Burger. Z-Burger. Come on, man, let's go in. You're not even buying shit, not me. Hello! So, katrabaho po namin siya dati. Cook po siya. Benjamin! Come on, man. Benji's still here, man. You wanna shake? I got you, bro. Wala man silang uniform, bro. Basta red lang, okay. Sana mo naka-Nike lang si Letty. Kaya dito kami tatrabaho dati. Ako yung laging naglinis sa shake.
Tayo.
Yo, it's always me, man. Before you, that was me, bro.
Do what?
Make all the shakes and shit. Can I get fries, though? I'm hungry, I don't have money, man. Benji! Come on, man.
For the chicken, half no tomato, half with tomato. Okay?
Tomato?
Half with tomato, half no tomato.
Okay.
Thank you.
Extra cheese, okay? And meat.
Of course. Can't forget that.
Yo, I miss the people around
That's
here,
my
man.
boy. When are you upgrading, bro?
Upgrading what?
Your phone.
Never. Okay, motherfucker. Ay, nag-order yung kaibigan ko. Ito yung in-order niya. Cheesesteak. Pero hatiin namin kasi we're broke. Hey, ito po ako. Like, 2017, nagtatrabaho dito. Okay, tingin na lang kayo kung kumakain kami. Kasi, siya na. Kinatapan yung onion sa atin eh, gago. Ginagawa tayo ng onion. Tumahimik kami, gutom ata. Gutom ata tayo ah. Kaya pala, malis ako dito sa trabaho to kasi
Cool stuff.
No, they accused me of stealing $100 pero di ko ginawa. You know. Kaya malis ako, pero binayaran ko yung 100k kahit di ko kinuha.
Ako pala yung one. Umalis because of cool stuff.
Hey, what the fuck, man?
Traffic looking for my chapstick.
Benji! Come on, man. Let's go. Letty!
Hasta
luego. Hasta luego. Yeah. Benji, man.
Benji.
See you, man. You too, man. See you later, man.
This shit don't work. There you go, bro.
This shit don't work no more, man. Come on, man. Here we go, here we go.
Traffic looking for my chapstick.
No.
Oh, nasa target na pala kami.
Oh, nasa target na pala kami.
Oh, yeah. So,
Sorry.
sorry. Kiko lang update, no? But yeah,
Busog eh.
sige.
Busog eh.
Anong tawag doon? Food coma?
Food ko, man, putik.
Wait,
We
why?
on the bra section, bro.
Why? We are?
Undies.
Undies?
Exactly. We go upstairs.
Upstairs. Yeah, nasa target kami. Wala kami gagawin dito.
Hey.
No. Hey.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Wait, sorry. Nakita ba yan?
Oh,
I'm gonna post that shit, bro. I'm gonna put it on like the whole screen.
Sorry. One, two.
Traffic looking for my chapstick.
Damn, you faceless ass bitch.
Don't do that to my nephew. Niece.
Headless ass bitch.
Hey. Don't do that to my nephew. Niece.
No shoes looking ass, broke ass bitch. Console.
You know what a console is?
Yeah, yung pumunta ng doktor, consultation.
Aha.
Yo, pag di nyo alam, we're always like this when we're outside, bro. Paano tayo? We're like outside. Ganito
It's
tayo
already
always.
out? That's fucking crazy. No way.
Lion King, I think.
Yeah, I watched it with my mom, bro, when it got released.
Shit, alright.
Shit.
Mufasa died, right?
Huh?
Mufasa died, right?
Mufasa died?
Oh shit, man.
No, I mean, I know Scar died for sure.
Mufasa died, I think.
You did?
I don't know. I'm just guessing. I heard Mufasa died.
Went missing, bro.
Hey, don't spoil it, man. I haven't
It's
seen the movie yet.
It's okay, bro.
Come on, man.
It's okay.
Shot.
Shot.
Oh, Nerf guns.
That's you when you're high.
This is really nice. What's up, bruh?
Sander, catch.
We're gonna get kicked out in a minute. Hey, these are new kicks. I'm gonna try to get these new kicks. These new kicks are shit, man. The shit. These are the shit, man. I'm telling you, these are the new Yeezys.
Traffic looking for my chapstick.
Oh shit, that's my phone. Oh, this shit hard as fuck. Oh. Save.
This is how you try if a luggage is durable.
Come on.
Ready?
You ride it? I'm telling you, man. You're gonna get kicked out in a minute. Look at this bitch. Look. Be careful, man.
Hey.
Shy, man. Yeah, I like that pillow.
Yeah, me too.
Naglolo ko lang kami dito. Wala kami ginaya. What the fuck? Hey, I got nothing, man.
Hey now.
I got nothing.
Alright, let's go.
That shit expensive, bruh. Where is the air coming from?
Right there, bro. Oh. It's called science. Right.
Ignorante. Say jam. Ignorante. Jam.
1, 2, 3. Mama say holy, Papa say holy, daddy, body one.
Oh, I don't want to get any copyright, man.
Chocolate.
You sound so good right now.
Chocolate. Choco. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Jump in 3.
Oh shit. You'd be like, what? What are we doing?
We're not that wild, bruh. What's up, man?
Get your kid like that, bro.
I don't have a kid.
I thought you do.
Hey, stop saying it in my vlog, man.
Hey man,
No. Confidential
no,
shit.
no, like, but for it up, you have a kid, right?
Come on, man. Stop saying it in my vlog.
Yeah, I know. Come, off camera.
Bido biyodo.
It's like this. Bedo, bato, beyond.
Beyond. Besto biado.
Besto bayo.
Besto bayo.
Yeah, bro.
Marshalo.
Exactly.
Marshalo.
Oh god, no.
Marshalo.
Oh no, honey, no.
That's dark jokes right there, bro. Yeah, no respect, huh? So, papalis na kami. Umalis na kami. Nakatay na ako ng bus. It's like 19 minutes. Ito, alis na nito. Mag-train. See you pag nasa bahay na ako. Cause I'm gonna break down a beat na ginawa ko kanina. Yeah, see you pagdating ko ng bahay. Ay, nandito na ako sa apartment. Napapakuha ko kay kuya. Kasi iniwan ko yung susi ko. But yeah, pag vlog malagi akong masaya sa kasama ko yung kaibigan ko si JM. Palagi talaga kaming ganun. Like every time kaming kasama. What's up guys? Kaya na pa ako dumating ng bahay. It's like 1:39 AM na ngayon. Dumating ako like mga around 9:30. So, pero gumawa ako ng beat. Di ko na lang siguro i-explain yung ginawa kong beat kaninang umaga. Pero, i-explain ko tong beat na to sa next video. So, subscribe ka. Huwag ka nang magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Subscribe ka na. Click mo yung notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Shout out to this Flex fam. Sage out. Peace! Kinalabasan. So, pag pinapanood nito, salamat sa pag-stick to the video. This is gonna be welcome to the extra clips.
Am I in it?
Yeah, you're in it, bro. You can see yourself right here.
I can't see myself with a big ass lens like that.
Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, ito pala si JM, pag di nyo pa kilala.
Oh,
Introduce
yo,
yourself,
my name
man.
is JM. Y'all can follow me on Instagram as JEY_UM. And he's probably gonna put me on put an edit on it, please.
I'm not gonna edit that shit, bro. Oh, that shit.
Put an edit on, like a tag on fucking.
Oh, yeah, your name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talagang Pilipina, yeah. Talagang Pilipina, yeah.
May nakita ko
Isang babae, umalimutan ang kanyang itsura.